Hi everyone! Today, February 7, 2023, I'll be giving you an update for the Aston Place construction progress. Construction is now on the 38th level. The building now is at 56% complete. Available units are 1 and 2 bedrooms. Building turnover will start on November 2024. To know more about DMCI Homes' upcoming and ongoing projects, including the ready for occupancy properties, you may reach me through my contact details posted in the description below, or you may register online for free using the link posted.